Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jollibee gravy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Don't forget a tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Having these ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. The secret to a rich gravy starts with a good roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, gradually whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Keep whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes until it transforms into a light golden brown paste. This step is crucial for thickening your gravy and building a foundational flavor. Now it's time to transform that roux into delicious gravy. Slowly pour in 2 cups of beef broth, whisking continuously to ensure a smooth consistency and avoid any lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to stir until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of sugar. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Your Jollibee-style gravy is almost ready. Continue to simmer it for a few more minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your preferred thickness. Remember, it will thicken slightly more as it cools. Once it's perfect, remove it from the heat and serve it warm alongside your favorite fried chicken, mashed potatoes, or even rice. It's incredibly versatile and adds a wonderful flavor to any meal. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.